This is FIBA Podcast. Thank you for joining in our morning daily devotion.
This week, we would like to focus on God of impossibilities. Has there been an unmet need in your life that is there for a long time? Everything you have, but this one thing is lingering on. You say, if this one need is met, my life would be complete. Maybe it's a health situation. Maybe it's a return of a child or a mending of a broken relationship. I am not sure of your need, but the Lord knows it. Zechariah and Elizabeth, a righteous and obedient couple, did not have a child. They were in a culture where God's love is measured by the children you have. Barrenness was looked down upon. When there is longing for a need to be met and you're growing in years, it can be disheartening, is it not? It is more disheartening when you carry this unmet need and then you come across many people who had a similar need and the need was met. You wonder why. The Bible says in Luke 1:7, this couple had no child because Elizabeth was barren and they were both well advanced in years. Barrenness and old age, two factors to indicate there is no possibility of having a child unless there is a miracle. Maybe you have many factors to indicate that your need will never be met. You stop praying and believing that it is impossible with God. When God answered Zechariah, he too couldn't believe that it's possible. In verse 18, Zechariah asked the angel, "How can I be sure of this? I am an old man and my wife is well along in years." You know, friends, sometimes we have more faith in the impossibility of a miracle than the possibility of a miracle. I want to encourage you today from this couple's life that God is sovereign and He can overcome any hindrances to His miracle to bless you. Two things I want to focus on. They continued to be obedient and serve God. They never allowed this longing need to hinder their devotion to the Lord. Zechariah continued to serve in the temple as a priest. He would have prayed for many and would have seen results, but in his own life he had to wait. Do not give room for any discouraging words from others and also from within. Continue to do what the Lord has entrusted to you. Don't let this longing need to rob you of your best. The second thing we read about this couple, they never stopped praying. In verse 13, the angel said to him, "Do not be afraid, Zechariah. Your prayer has been heard. Your wife Elizabeth will bear you a son, and you are to call him John." You know, my friend, there is no expiry date for prayer and also for expecting a miracle. Even though there were two visible indicators not to believe, they continued praying. Have you given up? Are you focusing on the indicators, saying that it's never going to happen? Yes, Zechariah couldn't believe, but the Lord had to deal with his unbelief. Trust God. He is an on-time God. He will provide an answer, and along with the answer, He will give you the grace to accept it. He is a God of impossibilities. Have a wonderful day.
For more details, please contact 916364252164 or email us to info@fibaonline.org.